Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on macOS. Hide photos in gallery, go to Photos app, and then you can choose a photo you want to hide and click on it with two fingers to reveal this context menu, and you can click on hide one photo, hide, and now it's moved to hidden album. And to see the hidden album you need to click on the view on the menu and show hidden photo album, and then it shows here, and here is the photo. And to hide this hidden photo album, go to view, hide hidden photo album, and now it doesn't show here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.